The results were nothing short of remarkable, with participants experiencing significantly fewer cancer recurrences and a lower risk of death. However, new research presented at an American Society of Clinical Oncology conference has raised some eyebrows. The study, led by Timothy Cannon, MD, found a link between running marathons and an increased risk of colon cancer. But before we get into the details, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Colon cancer is currently the deadliest cancer among young men and the second deadliest among young women, with cases rising by 71% among Americans aged 30 to 34. So what's driving this trend, and how can we stop it? Cannon's study enlisted 100 participants aged 35 to 50 who had completed at least 2 ultramarathons or 5 registered marathons. None of them had a personal or family history of colon cancer or related risk factors. The results were shocking. 39% had at least one polyp, and 15% had advanced adenomas, which are precancerous growths. To put this into perspective, the average rate of advanced adenomas in U.S. adults in their late 40s is between 4.5% and 6%. So, what's going on here? How does long-distance running influence colon cancer? The current study only proves a connection, not a causation, and it's essential to note that this was a relatively small study. However, doctors have some theories. Cannon believes that the reduction of blood flow to the stomach, intestines, and nearby organs during strenuous exercise may play a role. When you're running a 50-mile race, your body reroutes blood flow from your gut to your active muscles, which can cause ischemia, resulting in cellular damage and a more rapid process of cell turnover. But other doctors hypothesize that the connection is more about long-distance runners being more likely to miss colon cancer symptoms. Endurance runners often develop gastrointestinal symptoms that they dismiss as benign, including diarrhea and bloody stools. There's even a term for it, runner's trots, which refers to the sudden and frequent urge to go to the bathroom that often happens during or after a long run. So what does this mean for you? Should you hang up your running shoes and take up a new hobby? Not necessarily. While the findings are intriguing, it's essential to remember that exercise is still a crucial part of a healthy lifestyle. The key is to find a balance and listen to your body. If you're experiencing persistent gastrointestinal symptoms, don't dismiss them as runner's trots. Get checked out by a doctor. And if you're a long-distance runner, consider getting screened for colon cancer earlier than the recommended age. The controversy surrounding this topic is sure to continue, and we want to hear from you. Do you think extreme running is a significant risk factor for colon cancer? Or is this just a correlation with no causation? Share your thoughts in the comments below. As we continue to follow this story, one thing is clear. The relationship between exercise and colon cancer is complex, and more research is needed to fully understand the connection. But here's the thing. Knowledge is power. And being informed about the potential risks and benefits of exercise can help you make better decisions about your health. So stay tuned for more updates, and let's keep the conversation going. And this is the part most people miss. The importance of listening to your body and being aware of the potential risks associated with extreme exercise. It's not just about the benefits. It's about finding a balance that works for you. But what do you think? Are you a long-distance runner who's concerned about the potential risks? Or do you think the benefits of exercise far outweigh the risks? Let us know in the comments, and let's keep the discussion going.